Jatoba is a rugged, reddish-brown Amazonian fruit carried by one of the strongest trees in the rainforest. Known for its hard shell, powdery sweet pulp, and centuries of traditional use, it represents the endurance and richness of tropical ecosystems. Today, we explore the biology, history, and cultural depth of this remarkable fruit. Botanical background. Jatoba comes from Hymenaea corbarrel, a species within the Fabaceae family. It is native to Central and South America, especially the Amazon rainforest, the Atlantic forest, and parts of the Caribbean. The species is known for its extremely dense, durable wood and its resin, historically used to make adhesives, varnishes, and even natural incense. Tree characteristics. The Jatoba tree is massive, often reaching 30 to 40 meters tall, with a thick trunk and a broad canopy. Its bark is grayish and deeply fissured, while the leaves are pinnate with a glossy surface. The tree is a long-lived species and plays an ecological role as a provider of shade, shelter, and food for various animals. Flowers and pollination. The tree produces fragrant, creamy white flowers that appear in clusters. These blossoms attract bees and other pollinators. Flowering often coincides with seasonal changes in rainfall, helping maintain biodiversity in the forest. Fruit morphology. Jatoba fruit is a large, woody pod that turns brown or reddish-brown when mature. Its features: a very hard outer shell, almost rock-like. A bright yellow, powdery interior pulp. Several dark brown seeds surrounded by dry, aromatic flower-like material. Despite the dry texture, the pulp has a sweet, caramel-like flavor. Many people describe it as a natural protein bar created by the forest itself. Nutritional profile. The fruit pulp contains carbohydrates, dietary fiber, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. It also includes flavonoids, terpenes, and antioxidant compounds found in many legumes. Traditional communities use the fruit for its natural energy-boosting effect. Traditional and medicinal uses. Energy support. Indigenous groups consume the powdery pulp as a natural source of sustained energy. Respiratory relief. Decoctions from the bark and resin are used traditionally for coughs and bronchial discomfort. Anti-inflammatory effects. Various parts of the tree are used in traditional herbal practices. Resin applications. Jatoba resin, sometimes called copal, has been used to make incense, varnish, and adhesives. Cultural and historical importance. Jatoba has deep significance across Amazonia. Its wood, known as Brazilian cherry, is prized for flooring and construction. The resin has ceremonial and medicinal uses. The fruit has been a forest food for indigenous people for generations. The tree is a symbol of endurance and ecological stability because of its large size and long lifespan. Culinary uses. Although the dry pulp may seem unusual, it is traditionally eaten, direct from the pod. Mixed with water or milk to form a drink. Added to porridges. Combined with sweeteners for energy snacks. Modern culinary experiments include using Jatoba pulp powder in bakery products, smoothies, and protein bars. Environmental value. Jatoba trees contribute to soil stability, habitat formation, carbon storage due to dense, slow-growing wood, forest regeneration cycles. Because the tree is resistant to pests and diseases, it helps maintain a stable ecological presence in tropical forests.